Hey, welcome back to the channel. So recently I got a 3D printer and I just wanted to start printing stuff, so I just set it on a chair from the dining table. As you can see, it's a little bit wobbly. Maybe it's why I had the lines in the print from my previous video. So let's get a better setup. I picked up this beverage refrigerator thinking it'd make a perfect stand to put the printer on, and then I can put the filament inside the refrigerator and keep it in a nice controlled environment, similar to how old-time welders used to keep their welding rods in old refrigerators. So I loaded the filament in, and I have this thermostat that shows the humidity and temperature, and I put that inside the refrigerator. I plan to check on it every few hours, maybe even give it a day or so, to see what the temperature and the humidity is. I also put some damp rid in the bottom of the refrigerator. Later I'm going to change them to these blue silicone beads. My first reading was 53% humidity, 77 degrees. 1 hour later it was 48% humidity, 77 degrees. That night before bed it was 39% humidity, 75 degrees. The next day it was 31% humidity, 70 degrees. This looks like it's working great. Thanks for watching.